Yeah, so apparently if I record this and then press play on that, then it'll crash. But Dubstep Club 09/01/2022 is actually upbeat. Okay, so Android data, and this is where I found them all. Anyways, I'm recording. Okay, fun.
I didn't know you was recording.
What is this? Why is there two files just with this?
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, so the file could not load in. Zero. What are all of these? Okay, yeah, no, this is definitely something more. Raw assets. Huh. If anyone can hack to my phone, I'll try and get these files working. Because it cannot paste in what these files are. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated later.